Do I really have to try this one again? Oh, I just, no words, you guys. Hi there, my name is Esteban. I'm an award-winning cookbook author, food blogger, recipe developer, husband, and honestly, the list just goes on. And I'm here with Got Milk today because they put me up to the challenge. Today, they're presenting me with two different dishes. One of them is my recipe and it's made with real milk, and the other has been made with an alternative. And they want to see if I can pick out my own recipe and see which one was made with an alternative milk. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous, I'm a little scared, but guess what? I have plenty of kitchen experience. Right off the bat, I can see a couple of differences, mainly with color and some with texture. So I think this might be a little bit harder than I thought. It looks delicious, first of all, so I'm excited to dig in, but they look pretty similar. This one's not coated all the way, missing a little bit of sugar. With this one, the ridges are very clearly defined, which tells me that real milk might have been used, because when you use real milk, it does give the doughs a little bit more support and structure. In terms of the dulce de leche, let's take a look. Oh, it's kind of giving, how can I describe this texture? It's giving quicksand a little bit. Ooh, look at that. It's really nice and shiny. She's beautiful. Let's give it a taste. We'll start with this one. It's giving sand. It's very much like glue. It's not very smooth. The sugar never really melted with whatever it was cooked alongside with. Now let's try the other one. That's dulce. That is dulce de leche. Oh my gosh. That is good dulce de leche. And I'm not just saying that because it was made with my recipe. It's because it was made with real milk. It's just got a more even texture. It's very soft, it's very spreadable. It's nice and luscious and thick, and you can taste the caramelized milk, and there's no like grittiness in it. It's just a more pleasant experience. Moving on to the churros, we'll start with this one. Aside from the cinnamon sugar, I can't really taste anything else. Let's move on to the next one. This was definitely made with milk, with eggs, and with butter, because it looks really soft and bouncy and just really tender. Speechless. So now that we've had the chance to taste both sets, I think I'm ready to put in my guess. Drumroll please. I think that the realest dish is this one. Let's see. Yes! I knew I was gonna get this right. I've made churros a couple of times before, but you can definitely taste the richness, the creaminess. It all just made sense. Now, if you don't mind, I have a platter full of churros to go finish. So, cheers, bye!